Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. It's early Saturday morning and we are on a 5,000 square foot houseboat on Lake Powell. I'm trying to keep it quiet because everybody else is sleeping. Let's walk over here where I have my laptop set up, my little office where I'm on vacation, making money on vacation. Now, as you can see here, if you go to harveysilverfox.com, I'm going to be placing this video at this location right here. Make money with GoPro in YouTube. Now, throughout the day, I'm going to be doing some using my little GoPro camera here that I just picked up, and I'm going to be doing some shots with it, and I'm going to send this short little video out today to all of my members so you can take a look at it, kind of get an idea. But what you need to do is go to harveysilverfox.com and then scroll down to make money with GoPro and YouTube. So I'll be talking to you later.